Hi Makle, welcome to 10 power 100. I'm so sorry Kandu, so 4:30 actually live ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, but ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So I tried my best, so till 5 o'clock ತನಕ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. I saw few of you till 5 o'clock ತನಕ I saw few of you were there in the class and waiting for me Kandu. So 4:30 ಎದಳದೆ it's actually a big thing. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು it's actually a biggest thing ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. I'm so sorry. Okay, so that's the reason I'm just making this video. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 12 ಆಫ್ ದಮ್ ಐ ಸಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ವರ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ 4:15 ಎಬ್ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿನ್ನ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಸಾರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಐಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನೆದೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ 11 ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು up to application of derivative ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ x by x root of x square x into root of x square minus 1 ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಸೀಕ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಸೀಕ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by root of 1 minus x square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಐದರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. ಅಂಡ್ 1 by 1 plus x square ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಐದರ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ or else minus cot inverse x. Okay, so the ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಇದು. Okay, because the differentiation of this is actually ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. differentiation of secant inverse x cosec inverse x ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. cosec inverse x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cot inverse x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that's the reason we have shifted cot minus to the other side ಆಯ್ತಾ. So this is what the answer is. So option C is the right answer ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, next x to the power 99. So don't do sit and integrate in the ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ x to the power 99 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಆಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of minus x is equal to minus f of x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ minus x ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ minus f of x ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೊ 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ 0 ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, cos x into cos x. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 by cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ cos is secant ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 2 secant square x minus sin x by cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan x ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 3 tan x and 1 by cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant x. Okay, why we are doing this? Because we have integration for all of this ಆಯ್ತಾ. So integration of 2 secant square x is 2 tan x minus integration of tan x into secant x is 3 secant x plus c. So we can go with the 2 tan x minus 3 secant x. So option A tane, option A is the right answer. Okay, so just split this and do it. Okay, next, so integration of 1 by 1 plus x square, once again already explained ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So it is nothing but tan inverse x ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So tan inverse x plus c ಇಲ್ಲ, because it is a definite integral. So we can write root 3 and 1. So tan inverse of root 3. So tan inverse of root 3 minus tan inverse of 1, upper limit minus lower limit ಆಯ್ತಾ. So tan inverse of root 3 it is actually 60 degree. So 60 degree it is pi by 3 minus pi by 4. So the answer is pi by 12. So LCM ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So pi by 12. So answer is pi by 12. Okay, next integration of 1 minus x by root x. So ನಾವು ಇದು again splitting method ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. So we'll split this. So we get 1 by root x minus x by root x. Correct? So what happens to this is root x times cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, root x in the sense x to the power half. Correct? ಇದನ್ನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x to the power minus half dx minus integration of root x can be taken as x to the power half, right? X to the power half. Now let's integrate this. X to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 minus x to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. So if you solve this, x to the power half divided by half ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, divided by half. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x to the power 3 by 2, half plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 and half is nothing but 3 ಅರ್ಧ. So 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus c makle. So ಇದನ್ನ reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ so we get so 2 x to the power half in the sense it is root x, right? Minus 2 by 3 of x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So can we go with 2 by 2 root x minus 3 illa 3 by 2 alla 2 by 3 alva. So 2 by 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ, 2 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೊ 0 to pi ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದು cos square x ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ sin square x by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ cos 2x ಹಾಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 to ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇದು ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪೈ to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು cos x dx ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cos x is sin x with limits pi to 0. Sometimes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ pi by 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಸೊ now it is pi to 0. Now upper limit is sin 0 minus sin pi. The answer is 0 for this. Okay, so we can go with 0. So remember sin axis ಬಂದು y axis. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ x axis ಬಂದು cos x. ಓಕೆ, x axis ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. 0 90 180 ಲೈಕ್ 270 360 ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ +1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ -1. ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ sin 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, sin 0 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ sin pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಸೊ sin value in the x axis is 0. Okay, x axis in this is the angle that we get in the x axis is 0. Okay, so the answer is 0. Okay na. Next integration of x e to the power x. So integration of x e to the power x. So by parts use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ is x ಅಲ್ವಾ, x ನಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. e to the power x integration is e to the power x minus e to the power x differentiation is 1 into dx. So ಇದನ್ನ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x e to the power x minus e to the power x with the limits 0 to 1. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 1 into e to the power 1 minus e to the power 1. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೊ 0 into e to the power 0 minus e to the power 0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 minus 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ 1? ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 1 ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಂಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದು ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 2 by sin square x plus 3 cos x by sin x into sin x. So 1 by sin ಅಂದ್ರೆ cosec square. Okay, 1 by sin ಅಂದ್ರೆ cosec. So ಇದು 2 cosec square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 3 cos x by sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan x, so cot x and cosec x. So ಇದರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ 3 cot x minus 3 cot x minus 3 cosec -2 ಇದು -2 cosec x plus c. So 2 cot x minus 2 cot x minus 3 cosec x. Yeah, option D alva. Can I go with option D? Look at this, 2 cot x minus 3 cosec x plus c. Okay, next integration of sin x minus cos x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. e to the power x of f of x plus f dash of x. So ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ the integration is integration of e to the power, so y integration I'm writing. Answer is e to the power x f of x plus c. This is the standard formula ಕಂಡು. Okay, in between ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ನಾವು sin x ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ 2025 ಸಾರಿ. ಯಾ, e to the power x ನಾವು sin x minus cos x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, dx. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, if you take this as f of x, sin x difference is cos x plus cos x ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ e to the power x of cos x ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ sin x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. cos x ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೆನ್ sin x. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್. Okay, so that's the reason. So I'll write minus e to the power x. This is our f of x. So cos x plus c. So can we go with option A? Option A minus e to the power x cos x plus c. ಇಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ 1-2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ನಾವು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ e to the power x. Option A. Okay, option A is the right answer. Next, so this is important. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus tan x and tan square x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. ಇದನ್ನ e to the power x of 1 plus ಈ tan square x ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. tan square x plus tan x. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈ tan square x ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೆ, tan x ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. 1 plus tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ secant square x. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ secant square x plus tan x. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು tan x ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. tan x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ secant square x. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ e to the power x tan x plus c ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ option B? So option B is the right answer control. Okay, careful agri, so don't fall into the trap. So this is important makla. Next step, I think we did this, no? So pi by 12 is the answer. So pi by 12. Next, integration of x sin x, partial, sorry, by parts alva. So integration of x sin x andre dx, so which is the first functions, LIAT alva. LIATE, algebra first, trigonometry second. So x is first. So x na ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, integration of sin x is minus cos x, ಅಲ್ಲ, minus cos x minus integration of minus cos x into x, integration differentiation of x is 1 dx. So rewrite ಮಾಡಿ, so minus x cos x plus integration of cos x is sin x. So sin x plus c ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So can we go with minus x cos x plus sin x, minus x cos x plus sin x. So option B ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, option B, simple questions, you can do this. Next, so integration of 1 by x root of x square minus 1. Okay, so ಇದು once again option C ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ cosec inverse x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ cosec inverse x ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So here we can't do that, so that's why secant inverse x is the right answer. Okay na? Next, so the antiderivative of 1 by 1 plus x square with respect to this is statement 1 is wrong ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Look at this. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Root of 1 by x square. It's nothing but log of x plus root of 1 plus x square plus c. This is formula, correct? But they have given something else. So this is wrong because, okay, and then the derivative of this is actually this and the kotidare eradu wrong. Okay, statement 1 and statement 2 both are false. So both statement are false, correct alla? 1 by 1 plus x square, correct. So this actually bandu root of 1 plus x square the answer. Okay, so this answer is root of 1 plus x square is answer the correct ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, difference, you know, this is actually this, but 1 by root ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can't take it up. Okay na? Next, so yeah, so we are done with integration ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So this is what it is. Okay, so basic integration. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, remember this. Okay, integration of ಈಗ integration of tan square x ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, integration of tan square dx. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ integration of tan square x is not there. It's there, and in a sense, you know, we won't be able to do it directly. So idana tan square x na, by using identity, we write it as secant square x minus 1, secant square x minus 1, and then we have integration for both of this. We will do it. Idondo idadmelinda iga now ide question na, so tan square 2x minus 3 illandre x minus 3 minus 2x anta kodabodu. Okay, so once again you will write this as so secant square of 3 minus 2x minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು, when you're doing integration of secant square ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, so it's actually tan ಅಲ್ಲ. So tan 3 minus 2x whole divided by the x coefficient. What is the x coefficient of this one? It's actually minus 2. So minus 2 you should write it in the denominator. Minus x plus c ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. This is one coefficient ನ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. So this is important. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ actually ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, but remember this is important control. Okay, then rest of all you will do it. So now for example, ಈಗ 1 by 1 plus 4x square ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು, 1 by 1 plus 4x square. So ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, 1 by 1 plus 2x the whole square ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, right? So this is 1 by a square plus x square. So 1 by a square plus x square is 1 by a ಸೊ tan inverse of x by a plus c. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 by 1 tan inverse of 2x by 1 plus c into 1 by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು because the x coefficient is 2. ಓಕೆನಾ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, so differential equations. So differential equations, like order, degree, all those questions, ಆಯ್ತಾ? If m and n are order and degree of the differential equations, then what is m is what? M for this is m is order, alva? M is order. Okay, m is 2 and the degree is also 2, right? So 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, next, number of arbitrary constant in the particular solution of a differential equation of third order. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಓಕೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಯಾವುದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 2. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 4. ಅದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಿ, ದ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ once again the answer is 0 for this. Number of arbitrary constant in the general solution of a differential equation of order 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಸೊ ಟು ಸೇ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ PUC, ರೈಟ್? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ dy by dx ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪವರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Not defined is the right answer. Okay, next, so the degree of the differential equation. So now if you expand this, it doesn't matter alva, because idana expand madidru kuda you get dy by dx the whole cube, you get it. So that doesn't matter because for us d square y by dx square illi ide. So adra power 2, so the degree is 2 alva makle. So 2 is the answer. Okay, so don't like get confused with this. Next, the differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of xy is said to be homogeneous. F of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 0 ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ನು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ dy by dx is equal to lambda to the power 0 f of x comma y. So this is the formula. So lambda to the power x, lambda to the power 0 ಇರಬೇಕು to say it is a homogeneous differential equation. Differential equation. To say homogeneous function, it is actually n. Okay, but ಅದು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ homogeneous functions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so homogeneous differential equations ಅಂದಾಗ in that case the degree is 0 for that. Next, the degree of the differential equation. The degree is actually 3 alva. Sorry, we can't say. Listen, because dy by dx nodi. So dy by dx is inside trigonometry. So not defined is the answer. Okay. Next, so we are done with differential calculus. So see, simple ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 3D. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 3D ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಸೊ if either a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, then a dot b is equal to 0. Correct alva? If anyone, ಈಗ 3 into 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the dot product is actually scalar matrix, right? So scalar product. So ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so 3 into 0 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if anyone is 0, so then the determinant will be 0. Sorry, the dot product will be 0. If a cross b is 0, then a is perpendicular to b. It's actually wrong because when they are perpendicular, the dot product is 0. So statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So option A alva, option A is the right answer. Next, so a dot b is equal to minus a dot b. Okay, so a dot b is equal to minus magnitude of a into magnitude of b. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಸೊ actually answer is pi. ಆಯ್ತಾ? answer is pi. The reason why is, so now if I write magnitude of a dot b formula, a dot b is equal to magnitude of a into magnitude of b cos theta makle. Now when theta is pi, the cos pi is cos 180 is minus 1. So that's why the minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So answer is pi. Okay, you should know the reason. Now for example, ಈಗ theta ಏನಾದರೂ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ, so theta 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 270 ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 360 ಆದರೆ ಆಗ A dot B is equal to A dot B ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ they have given magnitude but it's all same. Okay then don't worry about that. Next, two vectors A and B are collinear. Okay, A and B are collinear ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು actually this will be the form. Okay, 2 by minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by minus 6. So 1 by 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. That means A is equal to lambda times of B time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, A is equal to lambda times of B. One vector 2 times or 3 times of the other vector ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So we can go with that. Okay, so both are true. So both A and R are true. Okay, next. So which of the following is not true? So which of the following is not true? So now for example, if I consider a triangle, so A, B, C. So vector AB plus vector BC is equal to vector AC. ಈ ತರ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. vector AB plus vector BC is equal to vector AC. Now AC ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ we get vector AB plus vector BC minus vector AC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈ AC ನ if I write ಉಲ್ಟಾ CA ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಈಗ if I substitute CA here it becomes plus. So option A is correct. Next AB plus BC minus AC ಇದೆ. Plus BC minus AC. Option B is also correct ಅಲ್ವಾ. Next AB plus BC minus CA ಇದೆ. Minus CA ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು plus CA ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So option C is the wrong answer. And look at option D. CB ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ BC ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so CB ಆಗಿದೆ. So that is fine. Okay, that is correct. So option C is the right answer and the wrong statement it is. Okay, next. So direction unit vector ಅಲ್ವಾ. Unit vector ಅಂದ್ರೆ so it is vector A is equal to sorry, A cap alwa. So A cap is the formula. A cap is equal to vector A divided by magnitude of vector A makle. Okay, vector A andre same vector. So 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4 plus k cap all divided by, so it is square root of 2 square is 4 plus 9 plus 1. So 2i by root 14 plus 3 by root 14 plus 1 by root 14. So split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I will keep it as it is, no problem. Option B control. Okay, next. So direction ratios the vector line joining points. Okay, so line joining points ಅಂದ್ರೆ is actually vector PQ find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So vector PQ is equal to second vector. So OQ minus OP ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. OQ minus OP. So OQ is actually minus I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap minus OP vector. So it is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 0k cap. So minus 3i cap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 5j cap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 4k cap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 3i cap 3 minus 5 4 minus 3 minus 5 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ತಾನೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Cartesian equation of the line. So A vector is 5. So A vector is very important. Okay, so 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap and B vector ಬಂದು 3 7 2. So A is 5 4 6 ಅಲ್ವಾ. 5 4 6 5 minus 4 6 5 minus 4 6 3 7 2. Option C ತಾನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So C is the answer. Okay, so A plus lambda B conditions ಇದೆ ಅದು. Next. So direction cosines of x-axis. Direction cosines of x-axis ಬಂದು option C. So K is 0 0. Next. Line makes pi by 2, pi by 3 and pi by 4 with x-axis. Then the direction cosines are. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, so L is equal to cos alpha, that is cos pi by 2, cos 90 is 0 alpha. Next, M is equal to cos beta, that is nothing but cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 and it is actually 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is what? It's actually root 3 by 2, right? So root 3 by 2. Next, N is equal to cos gamma. Cos gamma is cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? 1 by root 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 1 by root 2. So 0 root 3. 1 minute. Pi by 3. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, this is wrong. This is wrong, makle. Yeah, it's 1 by 2. 1 by 2 ಆದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Option C ಇಲ್ಲ. So option C is the right answer. Sorry. Yeah. Next, so line makes same concept. Right? L is equal to, so cos pi by 2. Cos pi by L is equal to 0. Next, LMN alva. LMN. So n is equal to pi by 4. So it is 1 by root 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? So L 1 by root 2 ಇದೆ. Now 135 in the second quadrant cos is negative, right? So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cos 135 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ can I take 90 plus 45 degree? So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus sin 45 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So the answer is minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2. So 1 minus root 2. Option A ತಾನೆ? Option A is the right answer. Okay. Next. Okay, so all these what is this? Fill in the blank. Sorry. Yeah. So value of lambda for which they are collinear makle. So collinear antalla itar barkoli. So 2 by minus 4 is equal to minus 3 by lambda is equal to 4 by minus 8 alva. Take any two fractions and solve aita. So 2 lambda is equal to plus 12 alva. So lambda is equal to 6. So lambda is equal to 6. 6 is the answer. Okay, next scalar product of this one is 10, then the value of lambda. Okay, so scalar product and the dot product makle. Okay, so 3 into lambda is 3 lambda minus 4 minus 21 is equal to minus 10. Okay, ikkada solve madidre, so minus 25. So 3 lambda is equal to minus 10 plus 25. Okay, yeah, lambda is 5 alva because 15 sigute, so the answer is 5. Next, the projection of vector A on y-axis. Okay, if they ask y-axis, then what is the middle term? So it is minus 2. So minus 2 is the answer. If they ask x-axis, 1 is the answer. If they ask z-axis, 2 is the answer. Okay. Next, the line, this is actually perpendicular. Find the value of k. Since it is perpendicular, the dot product of both of them will be 0. So minus 3 into 3k is minus 9k square. Alva. Next, 2k into 1 is plus 2k minus 10 is equal to 0. Is it correct? Yeah, sorry, I made a mistake. It's not 9k square. It's 9k alva. Because minus 3 into this one is 9k. So now 9k, 2k andre 8k na. 8k. 3 3s are 9k plus 2k minus 10 is equal to 0. Yeah. 7k alva. 7k. Minus 7k is equal to 10. So k is equal to minus 10 by 7 alla makla. So minus 10 by 7. Minus 10 by 7. Okay. Next, I, j, k are into vectors. Then the value of I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. I dot I andre 1. Okay. This is 1, and this is 1. So the answer is 3. Next. Okay. The direction cosines of the vector A is equal to direction cosines alva. So this is direction. Finding the direction cosines when the direction ratios are given. For this, you just have to write idu 1 idalva, idar magnitude find out ಮಾಡಿ. Magnitude of vector A is what? So it is square root of 1 plus 4. Adha root 6 ಆಯ್ತು. So L is equal to 1 divided by root 6 ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Next, M is equal to minus 1 by root 6 and N is equal to 2 by root 6. So L 1 by root 6 minus 1 by root 6, 2 by root 6. So option B ತಾನೆ. Option B is the right answer. Next. The angle between this one is, what is A dot B? Okay, so theta is equal to cos inverse of A dot B. A dot B andre it is root 6 divided by magnitude of A andre root 3 into 2 alva. Okay, so now theta is equal to cos inverse of ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. root 6 na root 2 into root 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? root 2 into root 3. So divided by root 3 into ಈ 2 na root 2 into root 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, 1 root 2 cancel, this one and this one cancel. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 2. What is cos inverse of 1 by root 2? It is 45 degree, pi by 4. So answer is pi by 4. Option C is the right answer. Next, the equation of y-axis in space. Okay, equation of y-axis kotre x is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Option B is the right answer. Okay, if they ask equation of x-axis, then y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. If they ask equation of z-axis, then x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Ashte. Okay, so option B is correct. Next, position of vector which divides. So now vector r is equal to mb minus mb vector minus na vector divided by m position vector which divides externally alva, internally is plus, externally is minus, m minus n. So m into second vector is idu alva, a plus b, m andre it's actually 2 hotane, substitute maadi bidana. So 2 minus 1 into this vector, so 3a minus 2b divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So then solve maadi, so 2a vector plus 2b vector minus 3a vector plus 2b vector. Idu minus a vector plus 4b vector. Hope I have not made any mistake. Idu b alla, sorry, illi wrong aitu. Just b vector. So idu 3b vector adane. So minus a plus 3b. Wait a minute. I mean, oh sorry, it's correct. This is 2. So 4 is correct. So 4b minus a alva, 4b minus a, option B control. Okay. Next, the value of which it is actually unit vector. Okay. So artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು very important ಆಯ್ತಾ. They're saying this is actually unit vector. So now we'll put magnitude. So magnitude of x I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equal to 1 because the magnitude of unit vector is 1. Okay. So now we'll find the magnitude. Magnitude of x is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 multiplied. So magnitude of x is 1 by root 3. So we can go with 1 by root 3 plus or minus 1 by root 3 is also correct because double values of x. Next, direction quotients of negative z axis. Direction quotients of the negative z axis is 0, 0, minus 1. If it is positive x, it is 0, 0. Sorry, z axis, it is positive 0, 0, 1. Next, so we did this now just now. So internally there, internally is different. So vector r is equal to mb plus na divided by m plus n. So it is second. So 2 of a plus b plus 1 of 3a minus 2b divided by 3 agata. So solve maadi. So 2a vector plus 2b vector plus 3a vector minus 2b vector divided by 3. Idu cancel aitu. So 2a plus 3 is 5a by 3 alva. So 5a by 3. So where is 5a by 3? Yes, option C is the right answer, makla. Okay. Next, idana ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, I think ಯಾವುದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ minus a. I hope this is the right answer. Minus a. CA AC ikkada bandaga, yeah, minus a. That is option D, the right answer. We did that. Okay. Next, so this question preparatory 2 alla, exam 3, last year exam 3, I think this preparatory 2 alla banditiddu ಆಯ್ತಾ, preparatory 1 ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. Okay, same concept ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ sin square alpha ನ I'll write 1 minus cos square alpha, okay, plus ಇದು 1 minus cos square beta plus 1 minus cos square gamma is equal to 1. It's not 1. We'll write only this one. We'll not write anything. So we'll write sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to this one. So now we'll take 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 makla, correct? I'll take minus common, so you get cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. So this is actually 1 alva. So 3 minus 1 is, so 2. So 2 is the answer control. So 2 is the right answer. Next, so the projection of vector AB on the directed line theta. So theta under the A dot B formula, projection of A on B is magnitude of vector A dot B divided by magnitude of B. Now with the formula magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B cos theta divided by magnitude of vector B, right? So this is the full form. Theta is equal to 90 degree ಆಗಿದೆ. So cos 90 is 0. So the 0 vector ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 0 vector. But ಇದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ if I put x is equal to theta is equal to 180, AB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? AB ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು minus AB ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus AB. Okay, this can also be written as BA vector ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, BA vector ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ if I put x is equal to 3 pi by 2, in that case again 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so these are the conditions you should know, ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. In this case 0 is the answer. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ they are asking what is P minus Q ಅಲ್ವಾ? So P minus Q. So P minus Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so P minus Q. P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, P ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's actually OA vector, right? So OA vector, OQ vector, OQ vector. So now, if I write AB, we write this as second minus first. So OB minus OA ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್. That means it is ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಇದು OB ಅಲ್ಲ, OB. We have written OA minus OB. For AB we write OB minus OA. Here it is ulta. That means it is BA alva. So BA vector. So BA is the right answer. Next. So direction cosines of negative z axis, option B alva. We discussed this. Next. The projection of vector A on y axis. The projection of vector A on y axis is idu. If they ask this for 2 markers, you should know how to do this. Iga vector A is equal to idu. So now vector y vector B anta tagona. Vector B is equal to 0 I cap plus 1 j cap plus 0 k cap. ಈಗ A dot B divided by magnitude of B. So 0 plus 3 plus 0 divided by 1. So the answer is 3 alva. So 3 is the right answer. Next, unit vector in the direction of vector A. So magnitude 1 plus 1 plus 4 root 6. Root 6 al barutte. Option A tane. Option A is the right answer. Next, we did this externally, so externally and we get externally minus. I think 4b minus a. So 4b minus a, option C answer. We did this, okay. Next, angle makes pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with j, and acute angle with theta. Then what is theta? Okay. So now theta, alpha is given. Alpha is pi by 3, beta is given pi by 4, and gamma is not given. Now substitute here, makle. So we have that relation of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Now this is cos square pi by 3 plus cos square pi by 4 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos square pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is the cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is what it is? 1 by 12. So 1 by 2 the whole square. Plus this is 1 by root 2 the whole square plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Kalu plus ardha is nothing but mukkalu, right? So mukkalu, 1 minus mukkalu is kalu. So we get cos square gamma is equal to 1 by 4. So cos gamma alpha I've written. Cos gamma is equal to 1 by 2 ala. So 1 by 2. So gamma is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So gamma is equal to 60 degree ala makle. So pi by 3. So option C, pi by 3 is the right answer. Next, yeah. So angle between both of them. So vector A is AI cap plus BJ cap plus CK cap. Okay. Now vector B is B minus C the I cap plus C minus A the J cap plus A minus B the K cap. Either the dot product money. Okay, so dot product is equal to A of B minus C plus B of C minus A plus C of A minus B. So ಇದು AB minus AC plus BC minus BA plus CA minus CB. So AB ಗೆ BA cancel, AC ಗೆ CA cancel, BC ಗೆ CB cancel. Answer is 0. So dot product of them is 0. So that means it is 90 degree. So 90 degree is the right answer. Okay, that's all it is. Next. So we are done with what is that? So we are done with vectors and 3D geometry. I'm so sorry, I'm feeling sleepy. Okay. So now next is probability. So probability, 2 cards are drawn random, and why I'm saying sleepy, because it's no interaction control. So it's like one-way traffic, alas. That's why it's actually boring. So let's say what to do. There's no chance here. That's why. Okay. Next, so 2 cards are drawn random without replacement of pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that both are black cards. Okay. 26 cards irutte. So since it is without replacement, so first time 26 out of 52 irutte. Okay, so for second chance one reduce agutte. So 25 divided by 51. Idaru 1 by 2 ala. So 55. So 25 divided by 102 makle. 25 by 102. So this is the answer. Correct ala? Okay, next. A and B is such that P of so if A and B are mutually exclusive, then P of A intersection B is equal to 0. Okay, this is your grade 11 concept. P of A intersection B is equal to 0. So now they're asking P of B alva. So P of E formula work P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So now this is given, it is 3 by 5 is equal to P of A is 1 by 2 plus Q minus 0 because this is 0. Okay, so Q is equal to 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Calculate multiple, so 2 to 5, 5. So it is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is the right answer. Next, P of B bar A. So P of B bar A, first formula work. So P of B bar A is equal to P of A intersection B divided by, so P of A. So P of, since P of B is 0, so the intersection will be 0, right? So 0 divided by 1 by 2. The answer is so 0. So 0 is the right answer. Okay. Next, sometimes it actually does not exist in the birth because it's a 0 node, but it's actually we are not nothing to do with 0 denominator now. Okay. Next, 2 balls are drawn random without containing 10 black. Okay, 10 black and total 18 balls. So the point of both are red. Okay, 10 black and 8 reds. Okay, so in that probability of getting both are red. So both are red and so it's actually first attempt 8 out of 18 ಇದೆ 8 out of 18 with the replacement alva, with the replacement with second attempt alli ಇದು 8 by 18 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ 8 by 18. So now this is 4 by 9 and this is 4 by 9, so 16 by 81. 16 by 81. Yes, options B is the right answer. Okay. Next, probability of solving a specific problem independently by A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. If the probability try to solve, if both try to solve the problem, then the probability that problem is solved. Okay, problem is solved is, so P of, so P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A is how much? It is 1 by 2 plus P of, this is 1 by 3 minus P of A into P of B I will take because it is independent events, right? Now I'll substitute, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So multiply 3, 3, multiply 2 and 2. So we get 3 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 6 alva. 3, 5, 5, 4 by 3, 4 by 6, that is nothing but 2 by 3. Yeah. So can we go with the 2 by 3? So option B, 2 by 3 is the right answer, makla. Okay. Next, P of E bar F, F bar E. So P of F bar E is equal to, so P of E intersection F divided by P of E. P of E intersection F is 0.2 and P of E is how much? 0.6. It's nothing but 2 by 6. It's nothing but 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Option A, 1 by 3 is the answer. Next, A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Andre, B is the bigger set. B is A ide. Okay. If you have to, now we'll calculate this one. So P of B bar A. P of B bar A is equal to, so P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Now, A ಮತ್ತು B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A intersection B is equal to P of A ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ A ಮತ್ತು B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ A ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು A is a small set and B is a bigger set. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so P of A by P of A, the answer is 1. So 1 is the right answer. Next, F be an event sample space, then P of S bar F. So P of S bar F is P of S intersection F divided by P of F. So it is S intersection under P of F divided by P of F. So answer is 1 alla 1. Next, P of A is this, P of B is this, and both are independent. Then both are independent andre we have to multiply. So 3 by 5 into 5 by 10. So 5 by cancel, so 3 by 10 alla, so 10 is the answer makla. Okay, next, A is not equal to 0 and is a subset of B. Then what is P of B bar A? So just now madala ide tane ide question. So answer is 1 alva. Answer is 1. Next, P of A is 5 by 12. P of A intersection B is 4 by 12. P of A bar B is K by 12. Then what is K value? Okay, we'll do it. So now P of A bar B is equal to, so P of A intersection B divided by, so P of B, alva. So P of A intersection B is 4 by 12 and this is 5 by 12, so 12 cancel. Okay, so now sometimes there may confusion ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 4 by 12 into 12 by 5. So ಇದೆರಡು cancel ಆಗಿ 4 by 5 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. Okay, next. So P of A is this, P of B bar A is this. Then what is P of A intersection B? So first write the formula. So P of B bar A is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of A, right? So now they're asking P of A intersection B, cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So P of B bar A into P of A. So P of B bar A is how much? It is 2 by 3, yeah? 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So option A, 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Next. If for two events E and F, P of E is this one, P of F is this one, and P of E bar F is 1 by 5. Then E intersection E and F are independent events. Okay, so now Artha Madkoli, so they are saying P of E bar F is equal to, what is the formula? P of E intersection F divided by P of F, correct? This is the formula. Now they are saying P of E is 1 by 5 and P of F is 1 by 2 and P of E bar F is 1 by 5 antane. Andre since they are independent agidre enagutte, so P of E intersection F na P of E into P of F anta tagoboda, all divided by P of F. Idu cancel agi P of E. What is P of E makle? It is actually 1 by 5, correct? 1 by 5. It's actually independent events. So like ಎಷ್ಟು clean ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. It's nice question, okay? So it's actually true, alva. And if E and F are independent events, P of F bar is equal to P of F, then which of the following are true? It's actually correct. So both are true, makle. So both A and R are true. Okay. This is one of the exam question, I guess. Yeah, last year question. Next, two cards are probable that both are red. Idan madadwala, both are red kuda, I think 25 by 1 or 2 na baruttalla. Okay. Next, so this one, P of A bar B greater than P of A. So now what is P of A bar B? So P of P of A intersection B divided by P of B greater than P of A agata, alva. This is the condition that they have given. A P of B and P of A interchange ಮಾಡಿ. So P of A intersection B divided by P of A greater than P of B, alva. So what is this one? So this is nothing but, so P of B bar A now. So P of B bar A greater than P of B. Can we write this? So which of the following is correct, alva? So can we go with P of B bar A greater than P of B? So option C, makle. So option C is the right answer. Next, A and B are independent events, then P of say multiply ಮಾಡಿ 4 3s are 12, 0.12 alva, 0.12. So option D is the right answer. Next, P of A is this. What is P of A bar B? So P of A bar B is, once again, always write the formula. So P of A bar B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Since it is 0, it is not defined. So not defined is the right answer. Okay. Next, an uncontained 10 black and 5 ball, okay. 10 black, 5 white and 2, okay. 15 alva. So 15 ball ide, adalli 2 balls are done one after the other without replacement. Then both are black. Black is the first 10 by 15 idya into without replacement ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it's reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 9 by 14 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So this is 5 2s are 5 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, so next 2 1s are 2 7s are 3 by 7 3 by 7, yeah, option A. Okay, next. Okay, so ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ P of A dash bar B ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾವು P of A dash bar B ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ it's actually P of A dash intersection B divided by P of B. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ A dash ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರೋಣ. A dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು A, ಇದು B. A dash ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಎನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಮ್ ಇಸ್, ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so I can write that as P of B minus P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So P of B is how much? P of B is 0.5 minus 0.25 divided by 0.5. So 0.5, 0.25 divided by 0.5. This is nothing but 1 by 2 alva. So 1 by 2 is the answer. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. If indeed is independent, so then what is P of A? P of A bar B. Once again independent alva. So P of A bar B is equal to, so P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So it is P of A into P of B divided by P of B. So P of A agata. P of A value is 2. P of A value 0.3. So 0.3 is the answer. Next. So neither A nor B makle. So neither A nor B endaga is actually P of A dash intersection B dash. Okay, A dash intersection B dash. So this can also be taken as P of, by using De Morgan's law. So A union B the whole dash agate. A union B the whole dash. Okay na? So this is the De Morgan's law. Now A union B the whole dash can be taken as 1 minus P of A union B. 1 minus P of A union B. Idana A union B na. So P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? A intersection B. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ P of A into P of B ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು 1 minus P of A is how much? It is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus ಇವೆರಡು, this is actually P of A into P of B ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 8 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 1 minus 1 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲು ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3 by 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8 multiply 2 to 6 minus 1 is 5. So 1 minus 5 by 8, so it is 3 by 8 ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 3 by 8. So option B is the right answer. So ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Even this I have discussed, this is done. Okay, so projection of A on B alva. So projection of A on B, this I have not discussed. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1, so 0 agata, 0 ne. Okay, next A intersection, we discussed this one. So this is the same conditions, right? So Venn diagram ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so now idu kuda aitu. The order of the differential order is 3. Next projection of z axis andre -2. Now A is subset of B. So A is subset of B andre, so P of B bar A is equal to, so P of A intersection B divided by P of A. A is subset of B alla. So A is subset of B andre subset of B. So which is bigger set. So now we get P of A only. Answer is 1 makla. So 1 is the answer. Next this is important. Okay, so we'll discuss that. So next this is contents, we discuss this. 1 plus cos 2x, so we have to discuss this one. Okay, now tan inverse of secant inverse 2 plus cot square of cosec inverse 2 aita. So this one I can take it as tan square. This is tan square. Okay, so tan square we can write in terms of secant alva. So can I write this as secant square of secant inverse 2 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ cosec square of cosec inverse 3 minus 1. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ secant of secant inverse 2 the whole square minus 1 plus cosec inverse 3 the whole square minus 1. So now we have to cancel like 2 square. 2 square is what? 2 square is 4 minus 1 plus 3 square is 9 minus 1. 4 plus 3 is 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 minus 11. 11 is the answer. Okay, then I actually discussed 11 is the answer. Okay, next continuous and not differentiable at x is equal to 5 either. Next integration of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus cos 2x alva. So 1 by 1 plus cos 2x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ cos 2x we can take it as 1 by cos square x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. 1 by cos square x 1 ಇಲ್ಲ 2 cos square x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. 1 plus cos 2x ಅಲ್ಲ. 2 cos square x, yeah, 2 cos square x. Then 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x. Just integrate and substitute the limits, you will get to know. Okay. So now look at this question. A cross b the whole square plus a dot b the whole square is equal to 144. Okay, I'll do the next step. A cross b the whole square plus a dot b the whole square is equal to 144 alva. Now this is the magnitude of vector a square, magnitude of vector b square, sin square theta alla makla, sin square theta plus magnitude of vector a square, magnitude of vector b square, cos square theta is equal to 144 alla. Iga magnitude of vector a square into magnitude of vector b square common takoli, so you get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 144 alva. So now this answer is 1. Iga this value is given. What is this value? Its magnitude of a is given, it is 4 makla. Okay, so 4 squares, 4 square is 16. 16 b square is equal to 144. So b squared is equal to 144 by 16. I think it goes by 8 times, I guess, right? So magnitude of vector b is equal to 4 root 2. 145. I hope it is 8 times it goes. Okay, check it out. Ida tara ಮಾಡಿ. Next idu niಮಗೆ k value ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. I'm not going to explain that. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so I'm not explaining all this. The number of point which f of x it is 2. We discussed this. So look at this one. So now I dot. So for the I j k cross product you should go for the cyclic order. Okay. ಈಗ I cross j ಅಂದ್ರೆ k ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now here j cross k and it is I, so I dot I minus k cross I and it is j, so it is minus j dot j. Next k, j cross ing ulta hodre it is minus k, so it is minus k into minus k, so it is 1 minus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 1 alva. So 1 is the answer. Yeah, 1. Next, the sum and degree of the differential equation, the sum 3 alva. Order is 2, degree is 1, so it is 3. Next, the total revenue, you can do that. Yeah, so this and all you can do. Next, the first one we have done, second one we have done, third one we have done. Okay, look at this question. So it's actually multiply these two, right? So 2 into 3 is 6a cross a, 6a cross a. 2 into this one is minus 4. 4 a cross b minus 9 b cross a plus 3 is 6 b cross b. So ಈ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 4 times of a cross b minus 9 ಇದೆ. ಈ b cross a ನ I can write it as minus of a cross b ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 minus 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5. So 5 times of a cross b you will get it. So the answer is 5 makla. 5. Okay, now problem is solved independently by a and b. Problem is solved. Okay, we did this. Okay, so remember idರಲ್ಲಿ probability ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Next, number of 13 elements ಗೆ 2 ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, Yeah, finally it is done, Makle. So I'm so sorry that I could not come live, but I made sure that I've cleared all your doubts. So please include ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ preparation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, and ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು watch ಮಾಡಿ so that complete ಆಗಿ answers ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So let's see if I can come live in the evening, so before your examination I'll give some guidance, and I really wanted to do well in your examinations. Okay na? So that's it from my end, Makle. All the best for your preparation, and I'll see you in the evening. Okay, thank you so much.